for another tutorial, first impressions video. I just got this in PR literally yesterday, and this is the Smashbox new photo edit eyeshadow trios, Shadow in a Snap. So they're 3 perfectly coordinating shades, double dose of color. It's super blendable, highly pigmented, and these are available at Ulta, Sephora, and Smashbox.com now. So they are available. And yeah, let's just jump right on in. I will do some swatches at the end of the video, but I want to try some of these bad boys out. So I'm going to be using the Nude Pick in the color Medium. Just placing that right inside the crease and then just blending it up. This is a close color to my skin color. Oh, I did prep the eye already with a little bit of concealer and translucent powder, but this is still pretty close. It's just a little bit darker. This is going to be the first color we lay down, and I do find that it feels pretty velvety. So this is not going to show up very much, like I said, but let's just give it a wash to start off. And then also from the same palette, I'm going to pick up the color Cashew Outside. Cashew Outside, like the cashew, like the nut. That's pretty funny. So we're going to start deepening up that outer V a little bit. I'm just using my Sigma 247. All right, we don't have any fallout yet. It's a good sign. There is some pickup, as you can see, a little bit on the lightest brown shade right there. And it doesn't seem like it is transferring. Like when I put it on my eye, it's not transferring down yet. So that's good. A little halo moment. Okay, this one is in hashtag repost. I love this packaging. It's just adorable. It looks like a little lens. It looks like basically what's right in front of me filming. Ooh, these are pretty. Let's grab that blue and let's darken this up even more. Ooh, okay, so this is like a dual chrome. It's purple, it's blue. It actually looks more blue in the pan and is translating a little bit more purple, which I am not mad about. And then let's do the same, just sort of patting it in. All right, let's also grab the purple. So dimensional. I'm gonna go back in with my Smith 247 and we're going to buff out those harsh edges right into that brown where we lay down first. Okay, so I will say this does this a little bit, not as bad as some of the Smashbox shadows. Some of the Smashbox shadows tend to blend away. MAC for a hot minute this was happening with their shadows, and I don't know, maybe they used a different formula for a little bit, but now they're back to being good. And that's definitely a con with these. I mean, it could be a pro if you feel like you're more of a, all right, I am getting a little bit of fallout now. Not horrible, but a little bit. Actually, let me see. I'm going to wet my brush a little bit and see if that stays a little bit better once we blend out those harsh edges, but the colors are really beautiful. Grabbed a little bit of Fix Plus and I'm just spraying my brush. Let's check this out and see if this works. Okay, so the color is definitely pumping up even more. Okay, so let's see if this works this time. Just blending out the edges. They're not my favorite. I definitely am starting to see some patchy spots, but I don't know, I had high hopes. Maybe it's just that one. Let's try another palette. Let's try another one on the other eye and see how it goes. Give this a fair shot. So, I mean, it's pretty. It's not as blinding as I would like it to be. And put it on the outer V. Blending brush and just soft. Yeah, see guys, the colors are so beautiful in the pan. They're so pretty, but they just don't. I actually haven't even swatched these. I was gonna swatch all of them for you, but I feel like now it's not really fitting. I mean, look at how pretty they are swatched. Why doesn't it? You know what? Let's try a finger. We're gonna give it a fair shot. Let's try a finger when all else fails. All right, I wouldn't usually use my finger to do this because, yeah, look at all the pigment with my finger. And it's not even like, okay, now I'm getting some serious fallout from my finger. It's not even that they're super metallic that I feel like that I would have to use my finger. These are more kind of satin shadows. Yeah, typically I would just use a brush and be okay with it. But see, now look, it's all gone. And I have crazy fallout. All right, we just zoomed out for a little bit. I'm looking like a crazy hot mess with one eye half done, one 90% done, and two different color eyes. I would say that this is kind of a fail. But anyways, yes, this video was short and sweet, but I just want to let you know my thoughts on the new Smashbox little, what are they called? Photo edit eyeshadow trios. And yes, they're a fail in my opinion. But anyways, I will see you guys next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. It helps me out so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.